Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafowethu, i-Kaizer Chiefs se-anawunsile ukuthi igame yabo le abazoyidlala ne-AS Simba angeke idlale e-TV bafowethu at all. Cabanga disappointing. Yo, imagine abantu abangaka beba-anticipate le game ukuthi bazoyibona. Abanye-ke beba-expect ukuthi izodlala ku-YouTube channel ye-Kaizer Chiefs nix, naku-YouTube channel ye-Kaizer Chiefs ayikho. Into engaseva le game lena ukuthi mhlawumbe i-broadcast-iwe ukuthi potentially laba i-AS Simba laba abazoyi-broadcasta abantu abafana nabo-SuperSport bathenge ama-image rights waleyo game leyo ukuthi bazokwazi ukuyi-broadcast e-South Africa, but sobona ukuthi ikhona i-chance na ukuthi leyo nto le yenzeka bafethu. But this is sad, abantu abangaka bebafuna ukubukela i-Kaizer Chiefs after i-international break ibuyile. Ukuconfirma kwabo ukuthi ngeke i-broadcastwe ku-any platform maybe or kuma-live stream izinto ezinjalo. Even i-radio-ke bafowethu anizameni iplan, but-ke amalanga asasele bafowethu, the hope is not all lost. I-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs, imagine bafowethu, millions and millions of supporters across i-South Africa and beyond. Le ndaba lezi akusiyindaba ezi-right kakhulu. I mean, no visuals, ama-commentator nix, no access, just nje silent. So bona kuma-updates online ukuthi kuma-pages we-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi igame ihamba kanjani. Yenzeka kanjani lento lena bafethu, ubani o-responsible and why lento lena i-affecta ibhola lase-Africa? Because of kuma-teams ose-Europe amakhulu, there's no way, or kuma-teams all over the world, there's no way ukuthi game of this magnitude, especially game i-team enama-fans angaka bafethu. I-Kaizer Chiefs beyine-deal manje ne-SABC. Ngibukela i-interview manje a few weeks back, in fact 2 weeks back bengibukela i-interview yakhe uKaizer Motaung Junior athi bane-deal ne-Kaizer Chiefs ne-SABC ukuthi SABC i-broadcast ama-game e-Kaizer Chiefs. And what is wrong ukuthi manje bathole iplani-ke ukuthi ba-broadcast i-Kaizer Chiefs? Labantu ababa-broadcaste ama-matches wakulokhu njani wani in the competition, not even competition, pre-season Kaizer Chiefs they were able to broadcast. So maybe they could not find the common ground in CAF. I-CAF ifune ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ikhokhe imali eningi ukuthi ba-broadcast i-game because of i-Kaizer Chiefs i-away. i-Kaizer Chiefs befuna ukubroadcastela ama-fans wabo base-South Africa. Yiyo-ke into ecollapsa izinto. Ama-breaking news bafethu, I mean this is sad. Even official statement mawubheka laphana i-poster ku-match abazoyidlala, TV nix, YouTube nix. Sithembe ukuthi bazoyisolva bafethu, umlingi asazi ukuthi uzovela but sithembe. I mean, yeah, hayi i-away leg obvious abantu bebafuna ukubona, especially abo-Maboy if potentially bayadlala ama-match wabo okuqala phana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi abo-Mayo bazoperforma kanjani. Khona into ekuthiwa bafethu ama-broadcasting rights yiwo akhosa ama-problems ukuthi ama-teams angadlali ema-TV. Nama-infrastructure-ke obvious kunama-limitations kwamanye ama-country ahostayo. I-team enema-rights yile team le ehostayo bafethu, which is i-AS Simba, yiwo enama-rights wa-everything. I mean, I think ku-important ukuthi izinto ezikanje kube ne-transparency. Kaizer Chiefs isho ukuthi inkinga ilena le, ama-fans kuzoba lula ukuthi sazi bafethu. Siphila ku-digital era la i-Kaizer Chiefs beyi-broadcasta khona ama-matches wayo walena ku-pre-season, but even smaller matches like ku-pre-season bawa-broadcastile, but they can't even explain to ama-fans ukuthi why banga-broadcast. They have to break it down, ba-explain ukuthi abantu baza-understand zonke lezi zinto lezi, because it's disappointing ukuthi i-team elingana ne-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ingabukelwa at all bafethu. Iyenzeka into enje, hayi into enje, this is like unacceptable for i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke at the same time singayi-blame i-Kaizer Chiefs if izinto it's beyond them ukuthi abantu bafuna i-Kaizer Chiefs if ifuna lama-rights lawo broadcaster kumele ikhiphane nama-millions. Because there's something wrong ngendaba ze-CAF. Ngifuna ukuyi-mention le, there's something wrong nge-CAF. I-CAF i-problem. I-CAF yathatha ibhola lase-Africa yalithengisela yini Total Energies, ikhampani yase-Europe. So ikhampani yase-Europe yiyo econtrol i-access yokuthi obani abahosta ama-game and then kumele bathenge ama-game kubo. So bafuna ukwenza i-profit. Guess what? Kwamanye ama-country lawa amancane ama-game baya-broadcaster isikhathi esiningi and babathengisela ama-game expensive. So ngoba kuze team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs maybe bafuna ukubathengisela ama-game expensive or ama-broadcasting, or i-Kaizer Chiefs ayinawo nama-rights a-right ne-SuperSport or kwenzakalani, what is happening? Because sonke sifuna ukwazi, sonke sifuna ama-ants, because of bazoyisapota kanjani abantu i-team if abakwazi nokuyibona i-TV. I-CAF football idinga ibhola lase-Africa bafethu linenkinga. Why would i-CAF football ithengisa ama-rights we-African football to ama-broadcasting channels or whatever bawathengisele abantu base-Europe because abantu base-Europe ama-opportunistic or they will use that whatever that word is bafowethu. They would look at ama-teams a-trendy whatever babone ukuthi okay this game is gonna be expensive especially if it's away kudlala le team le because kule team le bazokwenza imali eningi. So ayikho i-fairness in terms of ukuthi kube level in terms of ukuthi ama-game awafani abawathengisi ngokufana kuya ngokuthi i-team iyiphi i-team idlala nayiphi nanokuthi nje lese makudlala i-Kaizer Chiefs bayazi ukuthi baningi abantu abazobukela so lawo ma-rights bazowathengisa ngemali eningi. Are they trying to manipulate i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ithenge ngemali enkulu because make it make sense ukuthi ama-team wako-Congo anawo lama-rights la ukuthi bayawabukela ama-team wabo. Akubi ney'nkinga at all, home and away bayawabukela and lawo ma-team la isikhathi esiningi awanamali. Ama-team Seychelles or yini abo-Comoros or yini lama-country lawa mawadlala ama-team wakhona ngikhumbule omunye u-goalkeeper wayevimba ngejezi le-Real Madrid abanamali but bayakwazi ukubukela ama-teams wabo. I-CAF iyakwazi ukubanika lowo access leyo. Hhayi lento iya-disappoint-a bafowethu izinto zase-Afrika. I mean i-continental competition lena, I mean i-pride ne-history ne-legacy on the line ukuthi abantu bakhumbule but-ke ama-supporters they are left frustrated ngoba awekho ama-updates nakuma-official pages like i-transparency between ama-organisers nama-team ayikho leyo nto leyo. So obviously i-Kaizer Chiefs ngeke iye kuma-public platforms ithi i-CAF yenze kanje nakanje ibe transparent because of ayifuni ukungcolisa igama le-CAF and ayifuni ukungcolisa lese igama lama-away teams ukuthi i-away team maybe ibone i-chance ukuthi ziningi lezi zinto lezi and ziyadina masisizibheka kahle bafowethu. Kaizer Chiefs ibuyile ku-CAF competition or ku-CAF campaign this season bafowethu. I mean ibe nama-hopes ukuthi izokwazi ukwenza kangcono i-energy different and the burning desire to try and ukuthi ba-restore i-glory labo, their glory on the continental stage ukuthi bakwazi ukuwina again nanokuthi bakhuphule igama labo ku-continental level. But if akubroadcastwa imesh e-crucial so laphana e-DRC bafethu or maybe lezi zinto zase-DRC zezinto zama-wars or yini, hhayi bafethu ezinye izinto ziyadina ngempela. Thina we were looking forward to watch the game. Sithemba ukuthi bazozama iplan ngempela bafethu, bazozama iplan and kumele bazame iplan. We want to see the beautiful game live on TV. We want to see the team yeah. I mean ku-2025 ama-African fans asa-struggle to watch amalokhunjani ama-teams wabo adlala ku-continental competitions. Kanti i-CAF ama-broadcasting rights ama-model wakhona ahamba kanjani na-outdated or noma centralized kuma-deal and kunama-limitations kuma-digital platforms ne-poor communications between ama-club nama-host ama-broadcasting. I think this hits hard bafethu for ama-players. Ama-sponsors we-Kaizer Chiefs ku-continental level bewazi ukuthi noma bewafuna ukuthi obviously Kaizer Chiefs mayiloku idlala ey'kipeni ze-Kaizer Chiefs obviously bayabonwa continentally but if kuzoba ne-limitation ukuthi amanye ama-game awadlaliswa and then that's a big problem bafethu. Yeah, hhayi sobona bafethu but-ke even if ama-cameras are not rolling, I mean ukuwina away for i-Kaizer Chiefs kuzosenda ilona i-powerful message overall not just for i-CAF but for ama-critics overall ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iya-deserve ukuba on screen. But-ke it's about i-spirit se-team ukuthi izodlala kanjani laphana ku-continental level. Sithemba ukuthi khona umlingo ekugcineni ozovela. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like ne-subscribe.